making a name. I'm making a name tag. So if you look at it, that one's for Sandy, that one's for Rick, and over there's for Tammy. The problem is, see how slow it's going? I have a 0.6 millimeter bit. See how tiny it is? Notice how slow it is right there? That's something I need to watch in my program, and I'll change it on the next one. When it comes down, it needs to come all the way down to about 0.01 above the surface, and then go slow. So there's a fast and a slow, and you can adjust that in your software for veterans. So if you don't know where that is, look it up, because that'll speed up your process quite a bit. I don't have my laptop here, so I'm going to let it run. Notice how slow it goes. That's about 60 millimeters. Actually, I think it's 100 millimeters. And that's about all the chip load that tiny, tiny bit can handle. The problem is that this is, for some reason, when I ordered them, those are long. The 1 millimeter is about half that length, so they can take a better chip load. But because these are so long, it makes an issue. So have fun with your CNC. Hope this helps when you're doing tiny, tiny projects. Have a good day. The total length of that, by the way, is about 1.5 inches. Name, Sandy. Take care.